Hey guys, welcome back to my channel here. This is Penguin Tech. Today we're going to unbox this ZTE Nubia Z60 Ultra. So this phone features the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 here, and the one I got is the 5G digital mobile phone, 12GB plus 256GB. 12GB is the RAM, 256GB of storage, and it's a black color. And this comes in 1 year warranty with and let's see on the box here, it's made in China, and then as you can see it features Snapdragon 8 mobile platform Gen 3 licensed by Qualcomm, Snapdragon sound, Wi-Fi 6 certified, and DTS:X. So as you can see, the box are all black and red. So without further ado, let's unbox this. My knife. Okay, let's just tear it off easier. Nice box. Okay, then let's unbox this. Oh, this is too slow. Okay, nice box, nothing here. And we are greeted by the phone itself, so let's just take this phone out first. Let's see what's inside. There. Okay. Oh, okay. Let's see what's in here. The pin, and then you have a quick start guard, and then a very simple quick case. I would say this is a temporary case. Oh, it actually comes with a hole for you to pull on your strap, but as I know, this is a very cheap plastic and scratches very easily and doesn't protect all sides of your case of your phone, so you can use it for temporarily, but better get a case that protects your phone completely, like this one I got just before I use my phone. And then we have this phone does not have wireless charging, so I got this on sale at 2,300 ringgit. So so it's the cheapest phone with Snapdragon Gen 3 that I can find. And red color, USB-C to USB-C charging cable, and this supports up to 80 watts of charging, which is, so in theory should charge the phone in 60 minutes. Let's see what's in here. Nothing here. It's just to fill up the box. Let me just put it back here quickly. And then we have the charging adapter. So I bought this from Lazada Malaysia. I'm really hoping it's a 3-pin, but yeah, unfortunately it's 2-pin, so you gotta need adapter to put it into our plugs easily, but that's not the problem here. So a bit of a hair, and all red color accent here. So this is the 80 watt charger, glossy surface. Let's see. This is 15 watt, 9 volt, 3 ampere, 27 watt. Oh yeah, so it has 3 outputs. So the highest is actually 80 watt max, 3.8A, 21 volt. Wow, that's really high. Yeah, so theoretically it should charge out the battery 6,000 milliamperes in less than an hour. And this is the phone itself. So let me just peel off this plastic real quick. It is a huge phone. It's weight at 246 grams. Oh wow, these are pretty sticky. Yeah, okay. And I'm coming from Xiaomi Mi 10T, a 10T, yes. So that was Snapdragon 865. So I'm doing like a 1, 2, 3, like a 4 generation of jump. So yeah, this is the phone itself, all metal body, and as you can see, the camera bump is huge, and on top of that, there is still camera bump here, especially for this main camera here and this periscope camera, I think. And this is the wide angle camera, main camera 35mm, and the wide angle I can't remember it. I think it's 18, and this one is 85mm wide. So this phone is known for using the 35mm lens. So triple OIS, all of them has OIS here, and the back is some sort of texture with blinkeries, but it's quite slippery, but it doesn't leave any fingerprints, so that's nice. And then we have a bit of a LEDs here, Neo Vision. See the Nubia logo here. So the model number Z60 Ultra. Okay, as I mentioned before, 12 gigs of RAM, 256 gigs of storage. Yeah, so full metal body here. Nothing on the left, nothing on the right, on top, but there is an IR blaster. I think this hole is the microphone. And on the right here we have the power button, the volume rockers, and then some quick switch you can adjust. 2 antenna bands here. So as you can see, the left side is on the top 2 antenna bands, whereas at the right side is on the, slightly further apart. And on the bottom you have the SIM tray, you have the USB 3.0 Type-C, and then the loudspeaker, and yeah, and then you can see there's a bit of a very thin speaker grill here. So this phone is dual speaker firing. And one thing you can notice is there is no front camera cutout, and so the front camera is actually underneath the screen, and then there is a fingerprint on the bottom of the screen here. So that's powered. So let me just check one thing. Yes, so it does come with a stock screen protector, which is nice to have. It is the type that doesn't cover the full front glass, but it also allows you to put on your case. But yeah, so it's pretty hefty at 246 grams with 6000 milliamp of battery, which will last you a day or two. And then a huge camera bump here, but at least it's flat. And then a further bump for the main camera, and then the periscope. So all of them, if I'm not mistaken, are at least 50 megapixel. Yeah, so without further ado, let's quickly power out this phone and see how it does. And this red button here has some sort of texture. This one also has a bit of a texture, and this one allows you to toggle like so. And then the sound and the feel of the buttons feels good, very solid. Without further ado, this is a 6.8 inch AMOLED display, and it's about a little bit over 1080p. So yeah, it's powering up now. So I bought this for, I believe this is a Malaysia set. So yeah, gonna have to skip this first. Set up offline, continue. Yes. Now I'm gonna skip all of this first. Agree. Skip first. Skip first. Starts out with 65% of battery ready. Get started. So it's using MyOS. Oh wow, the boot up is pretty fast if you don't have to sell anything. So yeah, as you can see, there is no front camera here. There's nothing here. And then the fingerprint is like somewhere around here. It's an under screen display fingerprint also. So yeah, this is MyOS. And then maybe just let me play around with the camera. Don't allow, okay, or whatever. So yeah, In photos and video modes, try tapping each lens to switch focus. Okay. So yeah, I mean the camera looks good. Oh, the sound. I don't like the sound. Yeah. All right. Yeah. So that's the unboxing of it. So you get the phone here, then the red color USB-C cable for charging, and then the 80-watt charger, and then the free plastic case, and that's about it. Thank you for watching. I'll be doing some quick review in the following video, so make sure you subscribe to my video and stay tuned for more videos on my YouTube channel. Thank you. Bye bye.